Hi friends, welcome to our channel, one of the India's largest technical YouTube channel, Surya Technic Academy. Myself, Toleti Surya Sai Kalyan. And then friends, today discussing topic is for the in another subject here in general intelligence and reasoning, the classifications. That topic is for the classifications. Okay, classifications topic you have to discuss for the in these videos. So part 1, part 2, part 3, or then one part 1, part 2. Okay, so because of the this type of classification is very useful for the all the competitive examinations. So okay, because of this type of classification it's a very easy here, and then classification will divide in for the 3 categories. So one is for the related numbers. The first one is for the related numbers. The first one is for the related numbers, and the second one is for the related alphabets. Okay, and then third one is for the obviously related words. Okay, so okay, related words, that means related words means in scientific words, or then normal keywords, or then countries, and then capitals, that type of currencies type words I have to represent for the related words. So okay friends, this type of classification is very important for all the competitive examinations. So because of this is very useful. Okay, so how this classification is option A, option B, option C, option D. I have to given for the 4 options in the competitive examination. 3 options in same way, 1 option will different. So 3 options will same way, 1 option is different. That means see, these 3 are for the in a unique category. So okay, these 3 are for the unique category. That means the basic of pattern was same. Okay, basic pattern was same. Okay, and then another option was is for the different, not included, not match, not come add for these 3 options. That was it's a different, that you have to classify what is for the odd. So okay, means this classification find out the odd. Okay friends, now I have to discuss for the first part, that is for the related numbers. So okay, what is for that related numbers? So okay, what you see for this, so related numbers, how to find out for the different odd. So okay, now we have to discuss for the how it's simple. 20, option B is for 27, option C is for 64, option D is for 125. Okay, have you know for these which is for the odd, so obviously option A. How to this is for the 3 cube, this is for the 4 cube, this is for the 5 cube. This 20 was not any cube method. So get that too. So option A was for the indifferent. Option A was for the indifferent. That is odd. Okay. This type of classification is here. Okay. Friends, now we have to discuss for the related numbers. In the previous examinations, repetitive and same type of difference you have to see for the we have to discuss for the 10 to 12 problems, same for this the video. So can you see for the in this question, ऑप्शन ए है 31 है, ऑप्शन बी का 80 है, ऑप्शन सी का 26 है, ऑप्शन डी का 8 है. So what is for the odd number? So what is for the option odd? Okay, can you calculate? Okay, take your time. So okay friends, now option A, B, C, D, these options will see. This type of problems can you see for the in a square method or then cube method. Okay. So okay, option A 31, so right there. So option B is for the 80, option C for the 26, option D for the 8. The two we have to so okay, so 3 square for the 9, 3 3 so 9, so 9 minus 1 को 8 है. So okay, 26. Okay, for the 3 cube, so 3 into 9 क्या 27 है, 27 minus 1 26. Okay, 3 power 4 81, 81 minus 1 80, minus 1 80. Okay, so option A 31 and nahi to dissolve for the in 3. Okay, does जो है तो option A is for the odd. So okay, move for the next question. So option A for the 117, option B for the so okay sorry. So option A for the 317, option B for the 319, option C for the 349, option D for the 347. Okay, 317, 319, 349, 347. Okay, so okay, can you calculate that? Have you know 17, 19, 49, 47? This type of question you have to prime numbers are there. Okay, I think this type of question was the prime number. So 317 was the prime number, 349 was the prime number, 349 was also, 347 was also prime number, but 319 was negative prime number. This was a divisible, so that option B. So prime number is for the does not divisible for the any number. So we have to take for the 15. So 15 was divisible for the 3. So that we have the not taken for the 17 nahi to divisible for the any number. Taken for the 19 number. This number was also a nahi to divisible for the any number. So that too 17 and 19 was a prime numbers. Okay, that two are also 317, 349, 347 also prime numbers, but 319 also nahi to prime number. So 319 was also divisible. Okay, friends, now this type of question I have to discuss there. So okay, option A है 44, 2, B 22, 4, C 7, 12, D 11, 18. So okay, and this type of है so directly have visible. So 2 into 44. So into 44. क्या बात है 20 88. So 2 into 4 2 into 4 88. So okay 22 into 4. So okay 88. Okay 7 into 12. So nahi 84. So not equals to 88. Okay, option 11 into 8 88. So okay, these three option A, B, C was same pattern, same unique, basic of property was same, but option C is for the different. So remaining was galat hai, option C was the correct. So we move for the second question. So 152 minus 171, option B का 104 minus 117, option C for the 63 minus 72, option D is for the 136 minus 153. Okay, minus values. Okay, 171 minus 152, so nahi hai, so 19. So option was 19. 117 minus 13. Yeah. Okay, option D was 17. So, okay, option C, I think that means 19, 13, 17 was the prime numbers. Prime numbers. So I have to told for the in last question 17 and was a prime numbers, 13 was also a prime number. So okay, so that had the option C was the right. So option was the 9, option 3 was C was the 9. So 9 was the divisible for the 3. So okay, move for the forward. Friends, now this type of question you have to calculate there. So okay, option A 28 is to 32, option B का 54 is to 64, option C का 119 is to 136, option D का 91 is to 103. So okay, so it was representation was for the divisible. You have to directly your brain was it was a divisible. So okay. Okay, now I have to calculate that. Okay, so it was 7 times divisible है, it was 8 times divisible है. That means the 4 in fourth table 4 7s है 28 है, 4 8 है 32. So okay, 54 in any table 7 का नहीं है. In 64 in 8 8 is 64. So but in 54 is nahi. So no match there. So option C 119 136. In 17th table divisible by 7 times, 136 divisible by 8 times in 17th table. Okay, 91 का divisible by 7 times in 13 table, 103 का divisible by 8 in also 13 table. So okay, same 13 tables and then 17 table divisible by 7 and 8 and then 7 and 8, but this not. So in 56 in 8th table, but not in for the 54. In 8 7 is 56, 8 8 is 64. So okay, that means option B is for the correct. Different है the odd letter, so odd number, that is option B was the correct, and the remaining option A, C, D was the in same or unique basic pattern है. Option B was the different है. So okay, move on for the next question. So option A was the one 594, 693, 462, 573. In this type of questions, have you know for this method? Can you understand? So 9 minus 5 equals to 4. 9 minus 6 equals to 3. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. इसका 3 neither. So option D is for the odd. Okay. Without wasting any time, move for the next question. Friends, now this type of question I have to see there. In option A 82 minus 149, option B 17 minus 37, C 26 minus 50, option D 65 minus 101. Have you calculated there? So 149 minus 82. So okay, obviously 67, 37 minus 17, 20, 50 minus 26, 24, 101 minus 65, इसलिए 36 हो गया. Okay, in 3 20 24 36 was in same way in even numbers. $67 was odd number, that option A was the odd. Okay, different हो गया. In this type of 6 8 5 okay. 2 into 3 equals to 6 okay. 4 into 2 8 okay. Remember first letter, that means the first number, and then third number was multiplying, getting for the answer is for the in middle number equal. So okay, 5 into 1 equals to 5, 2 into 2 equals to 4, not equals to 5. So option D was the odd. Okay, so option D was the classified. Without wasting any time, move forward. Okay friends, now I have to see for this question. Option A for the 63 minus 81, B option B was the 93 minus 75, option C was the 57 minus 75, option D was the 39 minus 61. Have you calculated it? 81 minus 63, obviously 81 minus 63, 81, so 93 minus 75, obviously 18, 75 minus 57, obviously 18, so okay, 61 minus 39, 22. So okay, so option A, B, C was the same numbers, option C was the different, so okay, option D was the odd. Okay, classified there. Okay, next for the question 863, option A, option B was the 647, option C was the 791, option D was the 785. Calculate है, can you add 8 plus 6 plus 3, so 17, 6 plus 4 plus 7, 10 plus 7 equals to 17, 7 plus 9 plus 1 equals to 10 plus 1, 17, 7 plus 8 plus 5 equals to, okay, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, not equals to 17. Okay, that too option D was the odd. Okay, different. Okay, without wasting any time, move forward. In classification section, in related numbers, one of the main method this was discussed on for the in these number of problems. These number of problems, that means the number to number difference, number to number of division, and prime number difference, and then three options in the same order, and then one is for the indifferent, that is for the odd. We have to discuss, consider that these type of classification have to discuss in this video. Okay, this video is very useful for all the competitive aspirants, because of the classification section is there, many of the questions come on for the classification subject in all the competitive examination, the State Public Service Commission and the Union Public Service Commission also. So because of the special for the CSAT. Okay friends, do you like for my explanation, do you like for this video, please like the thumb, and then share your friends, and subscribe this academy, and hit the bell icon for the more videos getting the notification on your mobile. And then friends, please to subscribe this academy, Surya Technique Academy, always for you. Surya Technique Academy, learn to free in simple way. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.